A lot of parents when we say they always they fear, they wonder.
Yeah.
In a time like this when we say they in the 80s when they grew up, in the 70s, in the 60s, in the 50s when they grew up, things used to be different. Now what will be the place of the Nigerian pikin and which kind of future they get right now? When you say they see all the report when they say education, it don't yamutu, health, it don't yamutu, mental care, self,
Everything
it
don't
don't
get as it
yamutu.
be. Yeah.
So we say make we talk with some of the people when we say they for the front line, when we say they get all the information when get to do with children, especially with mental health and otherwise, when get to do with nutrition and otherwise, when get to do with their medical and otherwise. How be say you as a family go feel you stay maintain the children when they around you and otherwise, my brother.
All right, so we'll go link up with one very correct doctor. Her name na Dr. Nimi Ekere, na consultant, na family physician, na author and na child advocate. We'll call her now. Hello, doctor.
Okay.
In Ratata.
Yeah, morning to you. How are you, ma?
Fine, thank you, Ratata. And you?
Okay, are they all right? I did here this morning with Chief Swore. Two of us now they on this show this morning, so she did say hello to you, ma.
Hello, Bam. Good
Hello,
morning. How you
doctor.
doing?
I dey try. You always say doctor they speak butter
Doctor, they
pidgin.
blast pigeon.
Doctor, I beg, doctor, for this matter, make people know who you be and
Talk am by yourself.
maybe because no one talk am, make you talk am who you be and why is it important for us to get this conversation? Who you be first?
Okay. As you don't already call doctor, so if you be academic doctor or medical doctor, me I be medical doctor.
Okay.
I come be consultant. Doctor we come specialize for family medicine. That's branch of medicine where they take care of children and adults, even
Okay.
very young children and even old children, undifferentiated cases, and we they care for just symptoms and not be just symptoms, everything about the patient, even the psychological aspect of the patient.
So now, the topic when we follow you the handle this morning, waiting Nigeria get as far as the future of the Nigerian child is concerned,
For a
right?
Nigerian
With
pikin.
Nigeria get for Nigerian pikin. Now, I go start with this question now, because we get different questions, me and Chief Swore for you. But the first question when I go ask you, be say, from your own point of view, presently, what do you feel say be the present state of the Nigerian child?
That question, if we get to say the truth, it's no good at all. If you dey drive, that's why you go see children, they beg. Children wey suppose dey school, some of them they hawk oranges, fruits, all kinds of fruits, food stuff. Children now don't they take the role of parents. Even prostitution, child prostitutes dey everywhere. Child marriage, some people, as we did so, this way we see say development don't come our society or our country. We see they see children where they give out for marriage. Most times now because of poverty, and most times because when people no get, then go see say, okay, this my pikin, make I go exchange am. Make sure I think make I give am to one old man we get money so that our lives go dey better.
Yeah.
So children, it can't day worse every day. So the UNICEF come carry out studies. Say Nigeria then get the highest number of out of school children for the whole world.
Sure, for the whole wide world.
Yeah.
That is if that thing
Wonderful.
don't scare anybody. I don't know it is for the whole world, all the continents.
Sure, I was able to say for just Africa alone, sir, for the whole wide world. Wonderful.
10.5 million, and this one has study where they do some years ago. So we don't, of course, and then say the study, everybody no go fit enter for the study, so some people no go dey there. So if they even more, but this figure now 10.5, and now we be the highest for the whole world, and that one means say in the next few years we go get 10.5 million children, adults will be bandits, kidnappers, because not 10.5 million, they no get social skills, so they be illiterate, they no fit read and write, they no fit be employable. So now them will be all these criminals where you go to see for road. 10.5, that figure, they're scary. So for the whole world, now we go get the worst, the highest number of irresponsible adults.
Wow.
Just in the next few years. So the state, they're very scary. Very, very scary. If you don't do anything about them, na wahala dey on our head. So
Okay, Chief.
For this thing when we say you talk, so you don't work with people, you don't do research. Now, wetin a parent fit do in their own way to take you stay secure, at least the small future of their small Nkechi, their small Kemi, as they waka their waka for inside a town like Lagos. And in a state where we say, or in a place where we say education and medication supposed to dey waka hand in hand. Now, wetin parents fit do to take you stay filling the blank spaces?
parents, I'm not sure say parents, I don't feel say any parent no go want in pikin to go school or in children to go school, but some of them no get the wherewithal. So for this part, and then some of them, okay, like this will happen to Deborah now. You go see say the parents don't talk say they no go, their other children no go school. So we suppose enlighten them. The government suppose make life easy for parents. I know say some parents too, they know they misplace priorities. Then even if your pikin go hawk, you go still let them go school, and then maybe if he help you for market later. But make every parent know say education is the bedrock of every society. Say if you don't get the basic education, tomorrow the future go bleak. And make parents know say some of them the condition where they because they don't get the right education. You understand? I mean, this one not be to sound condescending, but some people know if you don't go to school, where they want employ you. So person will not go to school now. The menial jobs, the small jobs, now if you do, you know, if you do the good jobs where they nobody say the jobs even plenty. So education is very important. So if parents they hear this, make them try. And government don't make education free, at least the basic, from primary to junior secondary. Even if we still get bad eggs where they collect money from these children. So they make them difficult. Even with the school feeding program, some children know they still eat. So everything, the whole thing from the top reach down.
Okay.
So now multi-faceted issue where will they handle. So
what if you say be the causes of this, or you could say moral decadence for the society, criminality, all those kind of wahala? What if you say be the causes? Gone in 2 minutes?
Plenty causes, but poor parenting, westernization. Before a lot of things where we see people know they see those things where they exclusively for Igbo people. Now westernization don't come. We won't be like one copy people, other people culture. Then I don't talk about parents. People because of the hardship where people they face. Parents they don't get time to follow up on their children. And then internet technology. Now things they click away. Before on a dictionary would they find some words. Now children will go Google. That's so then they go Google for pornography and a lot of other things. Now we get predators for social media, for internet, where they lure children, teach them how to go wrong. We even don't find out say this Yahoo. Then get people where they teach them ritual killing. Then get people where they teach them for internet. So many things was like technology bring. You get the good side, you can't get bad side.
Okay.
So even then the government at all levels, transparency they again. Before every rich man and poor man they meet for children, they meet for school because the schools they okay.
Balance.
Federal schools, federal government schools, even missionary schools. Right now the state schools, public schools now for the poor people. While the guys then they carry their children go abroad. So and they need to equip those things. They need to equip the schools. Children now they learn bad things even from schools. So many issues where we get to handle where we from home to the society. And before people they care for the next person picking. They say it takes a community to raise a child. Now you go to picking, they do bad things, they promote your eye because you say no be your picking. So make we go back to those days. At least take some things from those days. No say it help them, make it help us. And make the government also help. Make different sectors they fixed.
See, I dare say you the hammer on tech. See, I speak as person when they work with children in about 40-50 seconds there about At what age do you think a parent should permit a child, right, to own a phone that can go through the internet or that can browse through the internet? At what age precisely, or around what age?
Okay, this question gets it get as it be. So I go answer them appropriately. You know, say for schools now, then they use devices.
Yeah.
During that lockdown, now computer my children they use.
Yeah.
And
Online learning.
small. So it's upon us now. Say we no go free run away from them. But so then they use devices.
Okay.
So then they check things for social for with their laptops.
Yeah.
But for phone, we get all the social media,
Exactly.
all those things,
For phone.
Android property.
Yeah.
Pikin at least don't reach 18 years, 17, 18.
Okay.
So it don't mature.
Okay.
It never mature fully because the frontal lobe of Pikin where they control all the choices, decision making and all that. Now 21 to 25 years. In fact, studies say now 25. Many studies, you know. So they still need guidance.
Okay.
You know. At least they don't mature small. The thing don't they mature. They tell them, say, this is wrong. Okay, I've learned this from my parents. I can make good choices.
We look at small research when we say United Nations carry come with WHO, they carry come to come follow up on children for Africa. And then this thing when you talk, they seem to support them with full chest. Now for a parent when we say, unlike before when we say big man as you talk and small man, they feel mix for better government school or better missionary school. It not be like that again. For parents when we say still want a better education for their children in your understanding and in your doings, now what did they feel do to take bridge that gap? Now lessons, now extracurricular, that now one question when we say I want through to you. So that you feel do the two together. The second question I say, what would be the importance of vocational education? Because normal formal education, now the teachers make go school, more write exam, more do paper and biro. But now it be like say who gets skill, they still get a place in this life too. And what will be the place when we say that vocational education supposed to do for picking when we say already even though they go school? How parents be manage them to take balance them for them?
Yeah, good question. So the first question, how parents will fit, maneuver
bridge the gap, yes.
with the poor educational setting where we get. So,
yes.
Yes, you go navigate them. You go put eye for what your children they do. You know, go just come out eye saying, babe, in they go school now, man, come. I don't see parents where we say their children, if they say I beg to differ.
Yes, that's a peer quiz all they do, yes.
Now, the children, I can't they wonder where me I did at that age.
At their age,
they do well. Some of them from state school. So, that's why we talk, say children, they have to. Some children still they do well. Some parents don't make them their point of duty to put eye for waiting their children they do. And you can say children when their parents, put eye for, they help them. You go see say they know they struggle like children with their parents, they so busy.
True.
So even as they find money, make they check their homework, make they know say some of them don't even need lesson teacher, and make you help just supervise them because them be children, they want play. You understand? So say playtime is this is your study time. You just put eye for what they do. Sometimes too, you go check their scripts. Sometimes their teacher will even give them wrong scores. You go school or call, say this not be so it's supposed to be. When everybody knows say you they involved, the children know, then go always pick up. So parental involvement they very important. A lot of parents don't leave things to chance. Well, they good for this day and age, this tech age. No, suppose because children they distracted, then they even they do their lesson with their device, they enter another site.
Yeah, exactly.
Children they do.
Yeah.
And then vocational skills, that way we small, you either be doctor, lawyer, or engineer. Now skills now don't take over.
People they use the flex and money till they shop now.
I go learn how to do hair. I go London once. I come braid hair small. Now the woman say, "Wow, you're good." Then she got 50 pounds. Give me. Important, very important. So as I make the education they compulsory and free for primary and basic, and junior secondary. So they call them basic, education. After that, if person want learn skills, bad. It's very important. Make we teach our children say to learn skills. Join this one. Unemployment they on the rise. As long as they go to school, but you sabi read and write. You don't get the basic. I mean, it's okay
do
to
plus and minus.
But make you learn skills, vocational skills. The people where they read now, not be the Two-Face and the other people. You understand? A lot of them don't get So make we know say vocational education is very important, and I happy say you raised that today, because rather than allow children to just they stay for house when as we strike, if you tell them, okay, go learn this,
go learn mechanic,
go
learn
help
organize
them.
themselves.
Abroad, now the thing where they keep people, mechanics and all those. Now then they even chop money past a lot of people where they sit down for office. So yeah, it's very good.
Doctor, while we were chatting yesterday, you just made mention of one conference. Of course, for you to give us your time today, at least more justice say okay, to tell you thank you for your time. I beg, just in less than, let's say, 40 seconds. What that your conference there about?
Okay, the conference now Strive conference, because we want to make children strive to be the best.
Children, right?
Because
okay.
When they face them, bedevil them, we want to make them strive, come out, be the best. So we organize them. My foundation organize them for children 10 to 18 years, and now for Afe Babalola for Unilag. So children will come listen to notable speakers, big people. We don't even expect the first lady and commissioner for education. You know, sir, our first lady love children well. You know. Yeah, exactly. Even at the governor, so we expect them that she was supposed to be the special guest of honor, and then the commissioner for education, the guest of honor, and other notable speakers. Make children come here how to come out from vices, how to come out from peer pressure, how to path for themselves, how to become when they don't set their mind. They cannot even choose good role models, because sometimes now these. People where they do rituals, and Yahoo people,
narcotics, be say be the ginger them.
Mind reorientation.
Narcotics now.
Children want to do here. There will be question and answer section, so that we go advise the counseling session for children where they go through trauma, go through pains and trauma. The counselors will be there to just attend to them, and are free.
What time? What time?
27th of May, 9 o'clock.
Okay, 9 o'clock, right?
27th of May. So 9 o'clock on May 27th.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk Mouth.